You. Hi guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. Today we're going to the pumpkin patch. It is actually called Pumpkinville, and it's located in Etobicoke, I think. So we just got here. It's a long drive. Justin is getting excited. We didn't know we had to buy tickets, so now we're gonna go buy some tickets online. Okay, so we just bought our tickets, and now we're gonna head into Pumpkinville. So it's in like a mall kind of. It looks so nice. Let's see what we have here going on. We have the skeleton here. Okay, so Justin is super excited. Are you excited, Justin? There we have some nice rides. Oh, this is gonna look cool tonight. Look at this. This is a bird. Ooh, looks so nice. And the pumpkins are eggs. Oh, nice, nice. And then we're going to the washroom. You wanna go washroom, Dustin? And obviously there's a nice little bar here. Oh, that's so cool. This is some nice place to take photos. So we're gonna take some nice photos. Justin! And it's an, oh my god, that's so cute. Really? I have a fear for clowns, so Devin is showing Justin. It's okay. No, no, it's okay. It's okay. No, you cannot get it yet. Yeah, come on. So there's like a candy bar here. Okay, you want some fun? Going on his first ride.
Hey, give me your backpack.
So he's gonna go on his little strawberry ride. It's so cute. Have fun! Now he's older, he can go on rides by himself. Usually Devin or me have to go with him. But now it's so cute, he goes by himself.
Grab that candy thing so that we can actually do the ride properly.
There's nobody else, it's just him on this little strawberry ride. Maybe one of us should have went with him. But he done start the ride already. Spin, spin! Okay. Seems like he's gonna have some friends going with him. There, Justin, go. Hi, Justin. nice day. It's super sunny, so it's feeling good to be outside. So I don't know how big is this place, but there's this part over on the other side called Nightlight. So I don't know if we're gonna stay here that late to go over that side, but that looks nice. It looks spooky. If you're a fan of Halloween, that would be a nice, cool thing to check out. This is so cute. Look at how cute this is. It's like a piano. Look at it, call you. That's how you have to eat it. Hazel, focus on the candy. Look at Devin's getting food. So if you know us, we like to get food. So let's see what he gets. What's this? What's this? Oh wow, whose is this for? Mommy? Really? What about Mama? Chicken momos. Sweet potato twist. Oh, there's so much food truck here. I want a hot dog.
Here you go.
Oh, look. These are all the food trucks.
Right? So after every shot, you're gonna have to reload.
Shoot.
You just gotta shoot with the pumpkin. You don't want to do it? Why?
Okay, you want Daddy do it for you?
You want that?
Devin, do it.
Watch out, guy. Don't forget. It's okay. This is stuck on, but unfortunately, don't fall, buddy. Nice. Alright. Let me give you some quick rules, dude. So for adults, it's just 4 shots. After every shot, you have to reload just like this. The first shot is this one. So it's 1 and 2.
Justin don't want to shoot. He's scared for some reason.
And you can also lean in. The only thing you can't do is lay down. Have fun, dude, and good luck. Before you like.
Amen. Get out here, buddy.
Wins in our game. You want that one? You can choose it. Do you want to see it? Let's see, which one did you get? You got a starter Pokemon. Do you like it or do you want to trade? You want that one? You are really cute. You got that 100%. Do you want to keep this one or do you want to trade?
Want to keep it?
You want to keep it? Okay. You want that one? Do you want to play again?
Okay, go tell Daddy you need tickets. Go tell Daddy you need tickets. Tickets. Where's Devin? Alright, so we're gonna go do something else. Let's see what else there is to do here. You want me to keep it for you? Uh-oh, not good. Not good. Wait, I'll throw water on it. Wait. So this is so cute. Look at this. So nice for photos. I'm gonna come here to take some nice photos. Look at this. Pumpkinville. Look, Justin, you want to take a picture there?
Come on, Justin.
Come here.
Justin. Come here. Wait
You throw it. He said that's okay. Go buy a new one. Lego play man. Me get a ticket, right? Look at this. This is gonna be open till tonight, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's night light. No. I don't know if he included. I think so. Come, let's take some photos here. Go, go.
Yeah.
A bunch of what? Is a bunch of what?
What happened? You scared? Where? Oh. Oh, that's so cute. They get so many different color pumpkin. Is it real? You're allowed to eat? No, it's for decoration. You wanna go take a picture here? You wanna go take a picture next to the tree? Justin and Daddy. Done? What's that you have there? Devin! Look, you can pull this. Come pull it. Go pull it. Pull. Justin buying pumpkins.
I can't pull it.
Oh no?
It's a decoration. Look over there.
I thought kids pulling it. You want to take a picture?